Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Cardano on Trust Wallet. It's pretty easy to get this done. Once you're logged on to Trust Wallet, make sure you have an account here and you also own a credit card for the transactions. All right, so in order to buy Cardano, use the search at the top of the screen to search for ADA, which stands for ADA, which is the Cardano token. So once you've searched for this token, all you need to do is simply click on ADA, select the Cardano token. Once you selected this token, you could easily receive your token by copying your wallet address or scanning the QR code. And for this tutorial, we're going to be getting the Cardano by buying it using our credit card. So click on the buy option and you're shown the amount you can buy as well as the currency, which is at the top. So if you click on the United States flag and select any of the other flags that belong to your country or any of these short forms for their names, you could simply select the currency that works with you. So I'm going with the US dollar for this tutorial. Click on buy with credit card, and where we have credit card where it says recommended, click on this option and you're shown the list of third-party providers you can buy your cryptocurrency tokens with without having to open a centralized exchange to get any of that done. So in this tutorial, we're going to be going with Transact. So go ahead and select Transact, click on buy with credit card. All right, guys. So once the Transact website opens up, you're shown the amount of US dollars you're going to be paying, and you're also shown the amount of ADA you're receiving. So all you need to do is click on buy now and enter your email, provide your KYC information such as your SSN and any other required information for the transaction to be completed, and then your ADA tokens would be deposited in your wallet. To confirm this, close the website, head back to Trust Wallet. So once Trust Wallet has opened up on your ADA wallet, reload, and you'd find your ADA balance has been changed upon once you receive the ADA tokens from Transact. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.